Hi, my name is Gabriel and I'm a luxury listing agent at Century 21 WC Realty. And today I want to show you one of my most current listings. This spacious home boasts 5 bedrooms and 2.5 baths and 3,600 square feet. Welcome to Olympia. Okay, so here we go. Downstairs we have one of our suites that can also be converted into an office or some kind of study. And if you look right out that window right there, when your guests wake up in the morning, they have a nice lake view. As you can see, the carpet in here is very cozy. It's nice and spacious. You have a closet right here. And then when you come out, you see here you have a nice foyer by the front door. Perfect for decorations or maybe even a nice chandelier. But when you turn this way, automatically you're greeted with this spacious, formal living room. Plenty of room for nice furniture. As you can see, the current seller has some pretty nice furniture here. And we have our formal dining area as well right here. Again, another opportunity for a nice chandelier. The seller will be leaving this one that's here right now. It comes with the house, but if you'd like, you can always change it out to something more elegant. And then you have the actual kitchen right here with granite countertops, cherry red stained, stainless steel appliances, and even a walk-in pantry. So if you come right over here, you have your walk-in pantry to store all your goods, wines, etc. It really just depends on you and what you prefer. We have a flat top stove as well. This is very popular, other than the gas stove. We also have another living room here for your guests or family members who may come to visit. You guys can lounge here, possibly set up a television set or what have you. And then we have this nice view into the backyard. There is enough space to put a pool. You would probably have to recede the pavers a little bit, but there is enough space to put a pool, and you can always fence off the yard. That is not a problem. In today's market, a lot of buyers don't like carpet, which is very understandable, and which is why our seller is willing to give you a credit for the flooring. This property, as you can see, was hardly utilized. They're downsizing, they're an older couple, so they barely used any of the features of the home. As you can see, the carpet is fairly clean. The bathroom is fairly kept. Everything just seems like it was barely used. If you look right over here, you'll see you have brand new Samsung appliances. Perfect for anybody who, has to do their laundry, and it's upstairs with you. So you don't have to go too far to get your laundry done. And then let's not forget this loft area. This loft area can also be used as some form of office space or study, or even a playroom if you have kids. So now we have the Jack and Jill suites. These two suites are completely identical, but if you come in here, you kind of have a partial view of the lake as well. Nice closet, and it just gives you a very cozy feeling. Same thing with this suite over here. This suite right here, similar. You don't have the full lake view, but at the same time, you still have a lot of natural sunlight that comes into the room, and it's still a nice sized room. If you come down this way, I'm going to start off by introducing the junior suite. The junior suite is perfect if you have a newborn child or someone that you would like to keep close. You don't want them to be too far. but at the same time, you don't want them to be exactly in your room. And this is considered the junior suite with two nice double doors. And right next to it is this beautiful, beautiful master suite. As you can see, this house has a lot of windows. But again, please remember that there's not too much sunlight coming in because of the direction of the house. But you can easily see the backyard from your master suite. So if you added a pool or something like that in the back, or maybe a swing set, or did whatever in the back, you can always see everything that's going on from your master suite. But hold on, wait a minute. We have to go to the best part. So most buyers, right, the two most important parts of the home is the master bathroom and the kitchen, okay? And this master bathroom has a jacuzzi tub and a walk-in shower and a nice marble countertop. As you can see, it also has a sectioned off bathroom area for someone to use the restroom if necessary. And then right across the hallway in your room, in your master room, you also have this spacious walk-in closet. Now, our current seller is moving right now, so they have a lot of boxes here, but you can easily see the potential that this closet has. You also have a full body mirror right here. If you're like me and you're a little conceited, you'll spend a lot of time looking in this mirror right here. Okay, so another thing to note is that we have a nice, well-maintained exterior of the property in a nice, quiet community called Olympia. Now, I'm not sure if the person that's watching this knows of Olympia or has heard of Olympia before, but it consists of about 1,500 homes, very quiet, pet friendly, family oriented, a lot of amenities, three manned guard gates, and so much more. You can't miss with this property. When it comes to price per square foot, we're the lowest price per square foot in this area. Our seller is very motivated. She's looking to relocate and downsize, and she just wants to move forward as quickly as possible. So take advantage of this opportunity. As you can see, again, you can see all the windows to the house and everything like that. Again, the seller is willing to give a credit towards painting and flooring. So take advantage of that as well. And you can see if you like the statues, you can keep them. But if you don't, you can always replace them. And like I was saying, you can kind of recede the pavers right here a little bit and put a nice pool here or gate off the yard if you want. But my name is Gabriel. This is my listing, 2756 Shaunessy Drive. Don't miss this opportunity. We're gonna go to the clubhouse. As I stated before, one of the great things about this property is all of the amenities that make this a resort lifestyle home. We have tennis ball, volleyball, basketball, we have cabanas, indoor basketball, we have a gym, we have a kiddie park, we have pretty much everything you can think of and everything that you would find at your local resort. Check it out. So if you look here on your left, you have a nice club room that can be rented out at your clubhouse for maybe tea parties or what have you. And then you also have this indoor basketball. Oh, I don't have the card. Oh, you have the indoor basketball court. And then if you come right over here, you have a teen room where your teens can hang out while you work out. I mean, you can't see the lights, but they have video games and stuff like that in there. Xbox, PlayStation 3, or PlayStation 4, or whatever the latest game system is. with an area for the kids to play, and it's open until 11 p.m. at night. And then if you make your way a little farther down, you'll see here we have a nice lounge area that can also be rented out for corporate meetings or things of that sort, maybe a showing or something like that, some kind of PowerPoint showing. But there's plenty of options when it comes to this clubhouse. But one of my favorites is the outdoors. So over here on your right, you can kind of see all the cabanas and stuff like that that can also be occupied. One thing to note and to really see over here, swimming pool with a jacuzzi and also an area for the kids to be able to play. And check out that hot tub. Not too crowded, but still have a little bit of action going on. We have the kiddie area for the kids to be able to play. You can have them turn this on at any time. All you have to do is request it at the front desk and they'll turn it on for the kids to play. As you can see, like I stated before, the cabanas are over here. They can always be occupied by the residents at any time. They're free of charge. Volleyball, basketball, pickleball, and tennis. My name is Gabriel, and this is 2756 Shaunessy. This is one of my current listings, and I look forward to hearing from you.